The day started out with a heavy overcast and quickly got worse with rain and a raw, chilling wind. My body core temperature was dropping and it was hard to stay warm. Being soaked from the rain, my body is twitching involuntarily, trying to keep warm. All I could think about was emptying this tank of gas and taking shelter to warm up. It was a time in the trip I wondered why I was doing this. Why subject myself to these elements? I could be vacationing on a beach somewhere. Surely there was a better way to spend my time.
There's George. He thinks he's going to keep his feet warm with plastic bags. I'm giving those babies 20 miles before they fly off. No way. No way they're staying on. No way. We are south of Fort Nelson. And raining since Nelson?
Been raining since Muncho Lake.
Is that north of Nelson?
North of here, yeah. Oh, yeah, 2 or 3 hours north.
Man, that's not encouraging.
It was raining all day on us. How about you? Where'd you come from?
We started in Dawson Creek.
I think it's following us. Is that a KTM?
Yeah.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Thank you.
How do you like that? What is that? 690?
Yeah.
690?
I like it.
Well, I see a lot of those.
Once I get on the Dalton, I'm going to be glad I'm on it. You know?
I've been seeing a lot of those R1200 GSs, you know? The
Yeah.
BMW. They look like they'd kind of be a compromise, best of all worlds, no?
Yeah, I do a lot of off-road, so that's why I like the 690.
Yeah.
And then a few hours go by and the sun finally breaks through the clouds. The feeling of joy when the sun reaches my helmet and I start to dry off a little more with each passing mile. It somehow makes it all worth it. We're here at the Fort Nelson Heritage Museum. It's looks like some original equipment that was used in building the Alaskan Highway. Look at this. Old history, man. Steel steering wheel. Check this old snowmobile out, guys. The skis look like they're in good shape. I'm sure this thing broke down in the woods plenty of times. Having a freaking Kohler USA was the motor. Man, I'd love to hear this thing fire up. Lots of cool history here, man. Jesus. One of the BC Hydro's first power units used in Fort Nelson. Check this behemoth out. $4,010 horsepower at 327 RPM. Crazy. Endless amounts of just cool old stuff, man. Check that bike out. Wonder what that thing is. Somebody knows what that is. What is that thing?
Bison coming up. Check it out. It's what's for dinner.
So on a day that started out cold, raw, and rainy, and ended up being nice, warm, sunny, with beautiful scenery, and taking in lots of sights of wildlife along the roadways, it's just another good example to show that all life is full of peaks and valleys. And somehow, going through those valleys makes you appreciate being on those peaks. On this ride, we did about 750 kilometers, or almost 500 miles. And at the end of the day, we ended up setting up across from Laird Hot Springs, where it was starting to get dark, and we had to set up our tents. It was quite evident that the mosquitoes were getting larger and in more quantity as we get this far north. So thanks for following along, and keep moving, my friends, towards your next adventure or whatever dream you may have. Till next time.